folks, today we're back in the shed and we're going to be doing a replacement of the front door weather shield strip. This piece just here, it shouldn't take us too long at all. We'll go through that process. Okay, let's reveal the item here. We'll get this out as quickly as we can. You're going to be helping us today, Jay. And what we've got here is the weather shield strips. We'll go to the left hand front, pull it out and give you a look. That's what it looks like. It's just got the one little clip here. We'll go about putting that on the car. And just like that it pops out. No trouble at all. And it just pops out just like that. And as you can see, this one really has had it. Now we'll get the new one. We'll see if we can't put that one in. Just need to slide this piece in here like this. It's rather easy. Line this clip up here. You can just see here where it clips in there on the end quite easily. Right, so we'll just push that little clip down in there then. And that's it. We'll give the door a little test, eh?
And please tap on the like and subscribe button so you don't miss in the future any of our adventures or tips.
Can you press the button? Can you put the window down for me, Joe? Little assistant. And up again. So we've got the rear one. It's got a clip at both ends. So we'll go about doing this one. Put this here and see where the clip is. And the clip looks like it's going to be just here. Just as simple as that, really. So we should be able to just lift this straight out. And once you swear it a couple of times, it comes out pretty easy. One little clip on the end here. Got a bit of a clean there while it's off. It's looking pretty good anyway. Bit of dust. And we'll start up this end. So we'll just get that little clip in the hole. Get the little thing behind there. And this end's much the same. Just like that. Put a bit of pressure on it. And look at that, that's just like a new one. We'll get the assistant to test the window here now. Yay, big smiles. And that's so easy. And that's it for our weather strips on our Landcruiser doors. It's as easy as that. We hope that you can endeavour to do that on your own now. Those little tools that I've got, they were like $20 on eBay or something, car upholstery tools. So me and Joe, we hope you liked our video. We hope you hit the like button and hit the subscribe button, and we can keep bringing you more of this as I do odd jobs on the cruiser.